Top 23 foods to help repair your kidneys. Did you know your kidneys filter about 200 liters of blood every day? Keeping them healthy is essential for your overall well-being. The kidneys play a crucial role in removing waste from your body, balancing electrolytes, and regulating blood pressure. However, many people don't realize the importance of maintaining kidney health until it's too late. In this video, we will explore the top 23 foods that can help support and repair kidney function. With kidney disease affecting millions worldwide, understanding what to eat can be a game changer. If you or someone you know is struggling with kidney health, this information could be vital. So, stay tuned until the end to learn all 23 foods and how they can benefit your kidneys. Kidney damage can occur due to various reasons. Common causes include high blood pressure, diabetes, and poor dietary choices. When kidneys are damaged, they struggle to filter waste effectively, leading to a buildup of toxins in the body. This can result in serious health issues, including kidney disease and even failure. Prevention is key. The good news is that a well-balanced diet can help prevent further damage and support kidney repair. By choosing the right foods, you can give your kidneys the nutrients they need to function optimally. Let's dive into some key nutrients that support kidney health. First and foremost, antioxidants play a crucial role in reducing oxidative stress, which can damage kidney cells. Foods rich in antioxidants can help combat inflammation and promote overall kidney health. Potassium is another essential nutrient for kidney health. While it's important for muscle and nerve function, individuals with kidney disease need to manage their potassium intake carefully. Foods low in potassium can help reduce the strain on the kidneys while still providing necessary nutrients. Low phosphorus foods are also important for kidney health. High levels of phosphorus can be harmful to individuals with kidney disease. Choosing foods with lower phosphorus content can help maintain healthy levels in the body. Now, let's explore the top 23 must-eat foods for kidney health. Each of these foods is packed with nutrients that can help repair and protect your kidneys. Cranberries are a fantastic food for kidney health. They are known for their ability to prevent urinary tract infections, UTIs, which can lead to kidney infections. The antioxidants in cranberries help to reduce inflammation and support the immune system. You can enjoy cranberries in juice form as a snack or added to salads for a delicious and kidney-friendly treat. Blueberries are another powerhouse food. They are rich in antioxidants, which help combat oxidative stress and inflammation. Studies have shown that regular consumption of blueberries can improve kidney function. Enjoy them fresh, in smoothies, or as a topping for yogurt and oatmeal. Apples are a great addition to a kidney-friendly diet. They are low in potassium and high in fiber, making them an excellent choice for those looking to maintain healthy kidney function. Apples contain antioxidants that help reduce inflammation. You can eat them raw, bake them, or make applesauce for a healthy snack. Kale is a nutrient-dense leafy green that provides numerous health benefits, including kidney support. It is rich in vitamins A and C, which play a role in detoxifying the body. Kale is low in potassium, making it a great option for those watching their potassium intake. You can enjoy kale in salads, smoothies, or cooked as a side dish. Red bell peppers are not only colorful, but also beneficial for kidney health. They are low in potassium and high in vitamins A and C. The antioxidants in red bell peppers help reduce inflammation and support overall kidney function. You can use them in salads, stir fries, or as a crunchy snack with hummus. Garlic is a flavorful addition to many dishes and offers significant health benefits. It has anti-inflammatory properties and can help reduce oxidative stress in the kidneys. Garlic can also help lower blood pressure, which is beneficial for kidney health. Use garlic to season your meals or add it to roasted vegetables for added flavor. Cauliflower is another excellent food for kidney health. It is low in potassium and high in fiber, making it a perfect choice for those with kidney issues. Cauliflower contains compounds that help detoxify the body and reduce inflammation. You can enjoy cauliflower steamed, roasted, or blended into a creamy soup. Onions are often overlooked, but are packed with health benefits. They are rich in flavonoids, which have anti-inflammatory properties. Onions can help support kidney health by reducing oxidative stress and promoting detoxification. Use onions as a base for soups, stews, or salads for added flavor and nutrition. Cabbage is a versatile vegetable that provides numerous health benefits. It is low in potassium and high in vitamins K and C. Cabbage helps detoxify the body and supports kidney function. You can enjoy cabbage raw in salads, fermented as sauerkraut, or cooked in stir-fries. Fish high in omega-3 fatty acids, such as salmon and mackerel, are excellent for kidney health. Omega-3s have anti-inflammatory properties and can help reduce the risk of kidney disease. Regular consumption of omega-3-rich fish can support overall health and promote kidney function. Aim for 2 servings of fish per week for optimal benefits. Olive oil is a healthy fat that can benefit your kidneys. It contains anti-inflammatory properties and can help reduce oxidative stress. Olive oil is also a great source of healthy monounsaturated fats. Use olive oil as a dressing for salads or for cooking to enhance the flavor of your meals while supporting kidney health. Strawberries are not only delicious, but also great for your kidneys. They are rich in antioxidants, which can help reduce inflammation and support overall kidney function. Strawberries are low in potassium, making them a perfect choice for those with kidney issues. Enjoy them fresh, in smoothies, or as a topping for yogurt. Cherries are another sweet treat that supports kidney health. They are low in potassium and contain antioxidants that help reduce inflammation. Cherries can also help lower uric acid levels, which is beneficial for kidney function. Enjoy fresh cherries as a snack or add them to smoothies for a burst of flavor. Egg whites are an excellent source of high-quality protein. They are low in phosphorus, making them a suitable option for those with kidney issues. Protein is essential for overall health, and choosing egg whites can provide the necessary nutrients without putting stress on the kidneys. You can enjoy egg whites in omelets, scrambled, or in baked goods. Pineapple is a delicious tropical fruit that is low in potassium and high in vitamin C. It contains bromelain, an enzyme that has anti-inflammatory properties. Pineapple can help reduce inflammation in the body and support kidney health. Enjoy fresh pineapple in smoothies or as a refreshing snack. Turnips are often underrated but are excellent for kidney health. They are low in potassium and provide fiber and essential vitamins. Turnips can help detoxify the body and support kidney function. You can enjoy turnips roasted, mashed, or in soups for added flavor and nutrition. Sweet potatoes are a nutritious option for those looking to support their kidneys. They are high in fiber, vitamins, and antioxidants while being lower in potassium compared to regular potatoes. Sweet potatoes can help regulate blood sugar levels and reduce inflammation. Enjoy sweet potatoes baked, mashed, or in casseroles for a healthy side dish. Red grapes are packed with antioxidants, particularly resveratrol, which has been shown to support kidney health. They are low in potassium and can help reduce inflammation in the body. You can enjoy red grapes fresh as a snack or add them to salads for a sweet twist. Radishes are another kidney-friendly vegetable. They are low in potassium and high in antioxidants, which help reduce inflammation. Radishes can support kidney function and are great in salads or as a crunchy snack. Cucumbers are hydrating and support kidney detoxification. They are low in calories and potassium, making them an excellent choice for a kidney-friendly diet. Enjoy cucumbers in salads, smoothies, or as a refreshing snack with hummus. Watermelon is a hydrating fruit that can help flush out toxins from the kidneys. It is low in potassium and high in water content, making it an excellent choice for staying hydrated. Enjoy watermelon as a snack or in smoothies for a refreshing treat. Ginger is a powerful root that has numerous health benefits. It contains anti-inflammatory properties that can help reduce inflammation in the kidneys. Ginger can also aid in digestion and support overall health. Use ginger in teas, smoothies, or as a spice in your cooking. Turmeric is another powerhouse spice with anti-inflammatory properties. It contains curcumin, which has been shown to reduce inflammation and support kidney health. Incorporate turmeric into your meals, smoothies, or teas for added benefits. While focusing on kidney-friendly foods, it's also essential to consider what to avoid. High-sodium foods can put extra stress on the kidneys, leading to further damage. Processed meats, canned soups, and snacks are often loaded with sodium, so it's best to limit their consumption. Additionally, sugary beverages like soda can be harmful to kidney health. They can contribute to obesity and diabetes, both of which increase the risk of kidney disease. Opt for water or herbal teas instead. Monitor your protein intake as well. While protein is essential for health, consuming too much can strain the kidneys, especially in those with pre-existing conditions. Choose lean protein sources and consider the amount you consume. Incorporating these foods into your daily diet is essential for supporting kidney health. Meal planning can help you make better choices and ensure you get the nutrients your kidneys need. Start by adding 1 or 2 of these foods to your meals each week. For example, you might enjoy a spinach and kale salad topped with strawberries and walnuts for lunch. For dinner, consider grilled salmon with steamed broccoli and quinoa. Snack on apples or blueberries throughout the day for a healthy boost. Staying hydrated is also crucial. Drink plenty of water to help flush out toxins and support kidney function. Aim for at least 8 glasses a day, or more if you're active or live in a hot climate. Herbal teas can also be a great way to stay hydrated while providing additional health benefits. If you're unsure about your diet or have concerns about your kidney health, consult with a healthcare professional or a registered dietitian. They can provide personalized recommendations based on your individual needs and health status. As we wrap up, remember that maintaining kidney health is a lifelong commitment. By making conscious food choices and incorporating these 23 kidney-friendly foods into your diet, you can support your kidneys and improve your overall health. Start making small changes today, and over time, you'll notice the difference in how you feel. Whether it's adding more fruits and vegetables to your meals or cutting back on processed foods, every step counts. Thank you for joining us today. If you found this video helpful, please share it with friends and family who may benefit from this information. Don't forget to subscribe for more health tips and nutrition advice. Together, we can spread awareness about kidney health and help others make informed dietary choices. Your kidneys will thank you for it.